Now, these faceless YouTube channels are making thousands of dollars by simply posting very simple and easy to create videos. And I have just discovered a niche with high demand, meaning that there are a lot of people interested in this particular videos under this niche. And this niche is one that you can automate very easily and start creating videos immediately. Now, if you look at my screen right now, you can see that these channels are simply posting short Reddit videos, and these kind of videos are generating thousands of views and revenues for these channels. And in today's video, I will be showing you step by step how you can replicate this exact kind of Reddit story videos and how you can automate your channel such that you do not have to be doing the work in creating this video. Now, the very first step, of course, is to create your channel. Now, when creating your channel, you need to set up your channel name. Now, I would suggest that your channel name represents Reddit, or it should have a feel of Reddit. For example, you can see this is Reddit Family Tales. You can see this is Reddit Book. So it should have a feel of Reddit in it. And now that we know that our niche is Reddit story, we want to be a little bit niched down. So for example, we can niche down to, let's say, Reddit horror stories. Now, the next step you want to do is you want to script your content. And one easy way to do that is by going over to ChatGPT. And you can simply tell ChatGPT, give me a 1-minute horror Reddit story. Since we are going to be leveraging on short videos, you may want to be more descriptive depending if there is a unique feel you want your horror stories to be, as the more detail you give AI, the better the results. Now, ChatGPT has gone ahead to give us a story, and this is going to be our script for this video. Now, by the way, if you're finding this really helpful, do well to smash the like button so you do not forget. Make sure to hit the subscribe and join the family. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell icon so when I drop a video, YouTube will notify you first. Now, the third step is you want to create content. Now, I will be revealing a particular AI tool that you can use to automate this particular faceless channel. So what you want to do is you want to go to this AI tool. You can see this AI tool will help you to bulk generate AI short videos to automatically grow your channel. You want to start creating for free, you want to sign up, and you want to log in. Once you are logged in, this is how your dashboard will look like. And the next thing you want to do is head over to Reddit story. Now, when it comes to this particular AI tool, you have just 4 steps in creating your videos. That is, you fix up the background, you input the script, you put the subtitle and the audio, and automatically your video is generated. So the first thing you want to do is want to choose our background, and we will choose this, and we can click on next. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to impute your script. Now, you can either import from Reddit or TikTok. You can allow AI to give you its script. However, I would suggest that you typically generate your script with ChatGPT or DeepSeek and not import from Reddit, because utilizing already established Reddit story on Reddit platform is like reusing content, which is not really allowed on YouTube. So you want to create your own scripts, which is why ChatGPT is there. So we already have our script, and we're going to just put custom script. So Reddit card optional, and we're just going to leave this as Reddit scare. That will be the name of our channel, for example. Remember, I said your channel name should like represent Reddit. Then the next thing you want to do is Reddit post description. We want to go here, the basement snail. You can copy that. I want to go back and paste that here. Next thing we want to do is we want to impute our video script. So we want to go to ChatGPT and we will copy the video script ChatGPT has given to us. We're going to copy that, and we're going to go back to this AI tool and we will paste that here. Now, once all that is set and done, we can click next. Next thing we want to do is we want to click a subtitle. You want to choose what relates or resonates with you. And I'm just going to choose this one, and we're going to click next. The next thing we want to do is we want to choose a voice that will represent our video, our channel, and our subsequent videos. So mind you, whatever voice you will be utilizing should be a branded voice, meaning that is the same voice you should use for other of your videos. So now for the voice, you can choose either male or female. I'll just go with female. You want to choose the age, and I will just go with middle-aged. Then also, you may want to touch the settings like the style, exaggeration, voice stability, voice volume, or voice speed. Typically, I won't touch others except the voice speed. I may just want to tune it down a little. You want to go back to the voice and pick a voice. Now, you can preview the voice by clicking on this play icon, and you will be able to listen to a preview of how the voice sounds and pick whichever resonates with you. So I'm going to be picking Ashley, because I feel this is perfect. It's for storytelling. Again, you can also choose background music. You can turn that on and choose background music that resonates with you. Again, you can also preview each of the background music to select whichever resonates with you. So I'm just going to be going with this twin teaches, and we're going to click generate the video. So once we click generate video, our video is going to go ahead and be generated, and we can go back to our dashboard. Now, once our video is generated, you can easily go to my projects, and that way you will be able to see the generated video. You can either post it directly to your YouTube channel, which even makes our YouTube automation process even easier. As well, you can also click here to download it to your computer system in order for you to upload it on YouTube. So now this is how the video looks like.
The basement smell? When I moved into my new apartment, everything was perfect. Cheap rent, good location, quiet neighbors. The only issue? The basement smelled off. Not like mold or damp wood, more like rotten meat. I asked my landlord about it, but he just shrugged. Old pipes, he said. Nothing to worry about. Still, every time I did laundry down there, the smell clung to my clothes. It got worse. I told myself it was my imagination. One night, while grabbing some boxes from storage, I noticed something strange. The smell was strongest in the far corner, where the concrete floor had a slight crack. I kneeled down, pressing my ear against it. I swear to God, I heard something breathing. The next morning, I called maintenance. They came, inspected it, and laughed it off. But later that night, I got a text from an unknown number. You shouldn't have touched the floor.
So you can see that this video was automatically generated by this AI tool, and this video is amazing. We literally did nothing apart from a few clicks of the button. Now, this particular AI tool is Short AI, and you can easily leverage this AI tool, and you will be able to create up to 180 faceless videos per month. And in order to do that and take advantage of it, you need to be subscribed to the pricing plan. Have it in mind that Reddit Story is not just the only feature that this AI tool has. It also has that for fake text, AI story video, dialogue generator, and even caption generator. And there is a whole lot you can achieve with this AI tool. And I think it's pretty fair enough when you look at the features and the little work you have to do. Now, the basic is $19 per month, the Pro is $30 per month, the Enterprise is $60 per month. I will be leaving a link in the description so you can go ahead, sign up and check it out. Now, here are a few things that you need to know when it comes to running a faceless YouTube channel with Shorts. You want to upload up to 1 to 2 times daily, and once you reach the YouTube Shorts requirements, then you will be able to monetize with ad revenue. Another way to monetize, which is also very lucrative and you can do it from the very first day through your channel, is through affiliate marketing. You can promote books within your niche. Your niche can be any other thing. It could be funny stories, it could be friendship stories, whatever it is. Since our niche is horror stories, we can promote horror story books for our loyal audience. Now, I will be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can start with affiliate marketing that will allow you to monetize your channel from day one. You want to click the video you see on your screen right now to check that out.